We thought we can start from zero and reach to 3 crores. So now we have 3 crores, then why we cannot do 100 crores? This is something which is coming from the within. Without doing it, even we cannot die. I came to Pune in 2001 as a dealer for Polyhydroxide Plastics India Limited. After working for 2 years, I realized if I want to settle in this town, then I need to have something my own. Then that time I come across one product called polyurethane. Then I started thinking of how to go ahead with this product. Then finally I bought a small place in Tathode of 250 square feet, and then we started doing R&D and all the development work over there. First order we got from Excite Battery, and it was really exciting and it charged me well to go ahead with my business. Every time there is new challenges, different products, every time we go on accepting the new things. And then 2008 we shifted to Bhosri, and since then we are in Bhosri MIDC, and somewhere we got stuck up. That time we were looking for new direction, so that time we came across SIL. And after joining the SIL during the Burning Desire session, that time we decided our vision, mission of the company, which altogether we understood unless until we have one big vision, we cannot grow further. And there are so many things we learned from Kepal sir. धंधा चलता नहीं, धंधा चलाना पड़ता है. And during this total journey, there is lot of ups and downs, good and bad things. But the one thing I learned, कि never give up. If you never give up, you can always grow. And this is the quality, never give up, I just learned from my father, from my childhood. और वो एक बात और बोलते थे कि तुम हमेशा आसमान देख के चलते हो. यस, आज मैं कह सकता हूँ कि मैं आसमान देख के चलता हूँ. देखा जाए तो ये जर्नी में, बिजनेस की एक जर्नी में, SIL इज जस्ट लाइक पेरेंट्स टू मी. एक ऐसे मोड़ पे वो मुझे मिले थे जहाँ पे शायद एक पेरेंट्स की ज़रूरत थी मुझे, एक सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत थी मुझे. तो वो एक डायरेक्शन उस समय जो उन लोगों ने मुझे दिया, वो किसी एंजल से कम नहीं था. तो क्या होता है, एक बार हमारा डायरेक्शन क्लियर हो गया, मुझे दिशा क्लियर हो गई, तो चलना तो अल्टीमेटली हमको ही है.
You are unique. You are passionate. SL salutes the rigor and dream within you. We promise to be a strong catalyst in your life.